Okay, now it's broadcasting. Let me see.
Because the same Zoom we can do like two places, do it mines too. I don't know how we're gonna learn.
No.
Yeah, you will go on.
Hello, hello. Welcome to our Facebook Live. This is our weekly Facebook Live that my sister Kawinder and I will start so that you guys can hear a little bit more about what we do and why we do it. So, this is our Facebook stream, and we're also on Zoom. I'm going to record this so we can upload it later. Okay. So, thank you everybody for being here. My name is Claudia, and I am from Toronto, Canada. What we're going to do today, we're going to tell you a little bit about what we do. We're going to tell you a little bit about, I'm going to tell you my story this week. Kawinder will tell her story next week. And we'll tell you a little bit about the company, the product, and the compensation plan of the company that we love and the life that we call living a different life or do life differently. So with that, Kawinder, how are you?
Hi, very good, Claudia. How are you?
Very good. Very good. So introduce yourself.
Mm,
Introduce yourself. Can you hear me?
yes.
Good. Introduce yourself. Tell us about you.
My name is Kulwinder Samra. I'm in Toronto. Very good.
Uh-huh. Very good. Okay.
My name is Kulwinder Samra. I'm a full-time mom, and I stay home when I start make my decision to go in a networking market. And I'm doing very good, like whatever I'm doing. I love to do that. Stay home.
You look beautiful, Kawinder, today. I like your pearl necklace. I love staying home too, and this is why we want to share what we do. I'm going to share my screen with you, everybody, right now, and tell you more about our story. Okay? So we like to call our slogan, do life differently. So I'll tell you today a little bit about myself. This is my son, Mateo, and I love this child. This child is 8 years old, and I promised him one day that I would make sure that I would give him the time that he needed while he grew up. And this is why it's very important for us to tell you that businesses from home offer exactly that, the opportunity to have time, health, and money. Depending on the one that you want, you can focus on that one. Of course, everybody says, I want money, but is money what drives you? Then this is an opportunity that can do that for you. Would you like health? Our company has one of the best products for the immune system. But also, one thing that network marketing companies offer is time, because you can do business from home. And this is what I do. I stay home, I do meetings, I tell people about it. Now with Zoom and with, I used to do it anyway already with Zoom, but now it has given us an even larger opportunity to do this. And I told Mateo, if we're going to see the world and we're going to see the great things in the world, we're going to do it together. And we went to the Great Wall of China in 2018, and we went to Florida to meet Disney. And this is a great picture and a great memory for me, because Mickey Mouse got to sing him his happy birthday for his 7th birthday. So it's a fantastic memory. And why not? This is what we are about making memories for our children. What happened to me was that when I joined the company, I was in a pretty different state of my life. I had just gotten a divorce. Mateo had just been born, and I was in an amazing company that I loved, but it was something that we called linear income. Linear income is I exchange my time for money. So when I decided to leave that job to go into network marketing, a couple of things happened. The first one was that I was completely overweight. I was 50 pounds overweight. I also was completely overly stressed for several reasons. And so the weight plus the stress had given me huge health problems. And that's when I decided I'm going to take care of myself. I'm going to take control of my life. I'm going to take control of my eating, of exercising again. And I'm just going to live the healthiest lifestyle that I can live, so that those trips that I dream of doing with Mateo and those things that I want to do, I can do them without pain. I can do them without effort. I want to be a mom that is energized. And so this is what I promised myself. And so I started setting up a plan. And that's why I love this, this motivational sentence that I put my can'ts into cans and my dreams into plans. And so my plan is invite as many of you to hear our story. Kawinder, tell us a little bit more.
About myself, I'm also 6 years back joined this company. I love this science because I heard when I'm a child back home, I heard like how this product science is like, but we do differently. This company, For Life, is in 22 years in the market. Their main pillars, science, success, and service. You can see these amazing pictures. Doctors are working on science part, and success they are showing in the middle piece. And the third is a service. Service is amazing. They are seeing and giving back to the communities. And if we are seeing the science is a transfer factor science. This is everybody hearing about our immune system. Our science is an immune system company. And if we are believing how we tell you, like we do life differently, we believe together building people. You will see this picture. They have like a tons of people all around the globe. When we go in a convention, people are waiting to go inside in the convention room. Look at this in Salt Lake City. How amazing people and happy people are with their own flags. If we are looking for life, why we are doing things differently and we are a different company. We are in our company is in the USA. All products are patent. We are debt-free company. Whenever you are joining or planning to join a networking company, these things we have to see. We are like a debt-free company. We are a fastest growing company. We are A-grade company. If like you are looking, the best thing are all products in a family physician desk reference. And we recommend this business is from home. We are a supplement for global health. Everybody need an immune system. We are an immune system company. If we are looking at immune science experts, how did like studies come? You know, like when we are saying when everybody be born with the immune system. When like the mammals or first mom's birth or after birth, like the milk, that's like a very good, like we are transferring our immune system to our child. And this is our experts or our doctors where they are creating this immune system products and they are capsulizing our products with the capsule, with the drink, with the juice. You can get like immune system so many ways from products. And today's world, everybody need immune system. Look at this virus, how they scare us. Everybody need immune system. Let's take a look for the next, like what we have like so many products, more than 100 products. Everything based is on immune science. Immune science. We are immune science experts. Look at our doctors, how busy they are.
Yeah, and let me tell you a little bit about the product. Kawinder will jump into the compensation plan in a minute. So we're just going to try and tell you and walk you through this. If you have more questions, we'll be happy to tell you afterwards a little bit more in depth about it. So what is immune system? Immune system is everything, just like Kawinder was telling us. It keeps your body working. It keeps you alive. So if you don't have an immune system, you would not even be in this earth. And like Kawinder said, viruses, germs, fungus, all kinds of things happen every day, all day. And it is your immune system, the one that is going to fight for you. So what does immune system do? It recognizes, responds, and remembers. But what does our company do? Our company has now harvested the science of transfer factor. And transfer factor is a science. It is not a supplement. It is not a herb. It is not a vitamin. We catalog it under a nutraceutical supplement, but it's far above that, because this science that was discovered over 50 years ago is the science of the mother transferring immune information to the child. It's the science of our body learning to recognize a threat and recognizing what it can do to our body, remembering when the threat comes back so that those symptoms don't come back. So just like Kawinder was saying, our company has been in business for 21 years in just focusing completely in the science of the immune system through transferceutical science or transfer factor. It's a big word, right? So we're not going to focus too much on science and that. We're just going to tell you that transfer factor science, which is the science of our company, is the science of three things: recognizing a threat, responding to threat, and remembering the threat. And like I said, it's nature's wisdom. Nature's wisdom is what we already have in our body. It can't get more natural than this. We were born with it. And through the first cocktail that our mother gives us when we're born, through the colostrum that we are fed for the first 2 days in our mother's milk, breast milk, it's not really breast milk, it's called colostrum. So through that 48 hours of feeding, we actually get the most precious gift, which is the gift of immunity. We have also harvested the science of targeting the transfer factor science to other organs or other systems. So we cover everything. We cover the eyes, we cover kidneys, we cover heart, we cover brain. And so we have a large line of products that with our technology, which is unique and patented, can focus on any of the organs. Not only that, we also have gotten very, I call it very creative. And so we have put science of transfer factor from anything from soap and toothpaste to all the line, my favorite line, which is the transformation line. So let's let Kawinder tell us a little bit about how the business works, which is the art of sharing products. How do you share the products that you love, Kawinder?
Lots of people, they think like how often we take this product. How often we are living, I will say you need to take it every day because we are not getting nutritional value from our diets. The most trusted from word to mouth, this company is like 21 years in the market. Lots of people, they are already in, and lots of people they never heard. How we heard about these companies, this is the word to mouth companies. And how you're gonna make money. This is the next slide I will show you how you can make money with like this. The first thing, like if we are looking, health is like a priceless. Health business is a industry is like a trillions of wellness business. If we are looking, lots of people, they want to like lose weight and stuff. You can do life differently. How you gonna do life differently? This is a success. Everybody who want to like do life differently, let's join on the next slide. I will show you what is like how you're gonna make money. You can make money 7 ways. I can go through with like 2 to 3. If you are in with us, like we will detail more information. The first thing, as soon as you join a company, if like you do your life more than 3 bottles, you will get like a retail, you're getting a retail profit. Second thing, you are making a 25% from like over 100 point whatever you are doing. You find a one customer, whatever customer place an order, you're gonna make a 25%. If like you, like your partner or person, if join like as a new distributor, you're gonna make up from first order 25%. If like your personal volume go over 100 points, you are making 25% from your personal values too. And if we are saying like a team commissions, loyalty program, and a builder bonus, that's like the biggest thing I will show you in the next one. The builder bonus, like think about these 3 products. You buy yourself 3 bottles and you come in a business. You invite a first person, they do same thing. They come in a business and buy a 3 bottles, you're gonna make a 2%. But if you find a 3 people, and then you're gonna make a $50 bonus. That's the bonus. How fast you can bring 3 people, that's fast you can achieve your builder bonus. If we are looking for the free products, that's like the other thing. If like I'm telling you, just I'm gonna show you like a 3 levels. You come in a business, find a 3 people, bring in a business, you're gonna make a bonus more than $800 American. If like you multiply 3 times, think about like you bring 6 people, then 6 people bring 636, you are making $990 American, and the commission is top. And then the third level, you will multiply one more time. It's like $1,080. But like that's your monthly income. You are making more than a $2,000. Anybody want to like make this kind of money, or you want to share, love to share products or love to share your stories? Come and approach us. We will like give you more detail, and join us anytime, message us. And that's like our company's plan. This is the Earn Free product. That's also one other program. You can get like more information when you join with us, or you want a more information. This is like a qualifying as a diamond. You just come in a business, bring three like people in a business. Your volume is more than 3,000. This is like the first step. You are achieving a first level with the company. And you will get like when you reach on a certain levels, presidential diamond, international diamond, you always get a luxury vacations. Company pay for everything. This is a great escape. Next trip, we are going to a Bora Bora. If anybody reach on a presidential diamond, international diamond, they are receiving these kind of trips. Every company, they have like their own way to like give a everything. If you think this is a right for you, and you will see our CEOs, our owner, David, he's like, and Bianca, they are with the service in the Indian community. When they go to India, look at that, like how much love the people. And this is the easiest lifestyle rewarding company you can achieve. You just like lots of people, they come, it's like, it's a pyramid. Or lots of people, they are thinking, this is the product, like how often we sell. You are not selling. Simple. You are consuming a product. You are using your daily routine shampoos, vitamins, protein powders, and you are consuming a product and share with other 3 to 6 friends, and you will see what is like make a difference, differently lifestyle in your own life. And service, everybody need to, if you are a healthy or wealthy, if you are healthy, you don't have a money yet, you can give like your health to community. You always need to give a service to your peoples. And this is our business partner. Bianca Lisenby, founder, and David Lisenby is like a founder and chairman. Their husband wife is like our company is like a one man own. And our Steve too is like a chairman of board, Danny Lee, president. We will support you every sector, step by step. Personal mentor, corporate support, anything you need. You can like a book appointment, you can go anytime in our office, meet our doctors, meet our CEOs, meet our founder. That easy this company is. And
Yeah.
if you need any more information, anytime you can contact me or Claudia. We are willing to help you. How much we learn and love this company, and we enjoy as a mothers our style.
Let me help you close this up, Kuwinder, because I also want to tell you and tell our friends, just to close it up, that personal support is very important in these kind of companies. And I personally believe that a lot of the people that have not been successful in direct selling and network marketing is because they haven't found the right support. And for us, Kuwinder, you and I know this, we are not only under the best company, but we have the best team, because we, Kawinder and I, we have personally met all of these people. They are so open. When we go to convention, every 18 months, we are going to convention. They come, they talk to you, they listen to you. Now, on Facebook, we have every single day trainings, live trainings from all of our corporate support. And wow, what a way of learning. But the best part for Kawinder and I are our personal leaders, which are Gabriela and Dave Daughtry, who not only, we call them they're called platinum of platinums, because this is the highest rank and there's no one above them that has that rank. But not only that, Dave and Gabby, they have built over 127 millionaires, and they have a lot of the most successful people under their team. So Kawinder and I, we know we're under a great umbrella. We admire them. We have meetings in English, we have meetings in Portuguese, and we have meetings in Spanish every single day. We are working on spreading this message. We're just happy to share with you this. And so to close it up, I just want to tell you and invite you to make a decision. Why? Because this is a decision we made. How do you see yourself in the next 6 months? In fact, how do you see yourself next month? We all got hit by a surprise 3 months ago when the pandemic hit us with no jobs, no clients, no business, and a lot of fear. But we were not afraid because we are in a great company that continues to pay every week and every day their paychecks for the work that you do. So that's what we want to invite you. How do you see yourself in 1 month? How do you see yourself in 1 year? Because if you are looking for an opportunity, we have an opportunity for you. And that's the opportunity of becoming a retailer and a business developer. Now, if you just want to be a customer, that's great too, because we have amazing products. And like I said, who doesn't want to take care of their immune system? But if you want to increase your income, buy a little or buy a lot, become a retailer or become a business developer like Kuwinder and I, and look for other people that are business minded and that are also looking for an opportunity. Now, that's our final slide. Thank you for listening to us. We want you to learn to live life differently. And that's all for today, guys. We wanted to put this on a live, and we just want to say thank you all for watching us. We're going to do every day more and more presentations. Thank you very much. And I'm ending this. Bye-bye. I don't know what she's saying goodbye to, but we're closing it up. Say goodbye to our Facebook friends.
Bye.
Bye, Kuwinder.